if you are wondering if POCO X8 Pro Max supports 100 watts power adapters, then the answer is yes. If you happen to have a power adapter that has 100 watts exactly, then it's going to be perfect for this phone, because the phone can charge the battery using 100 watts at most. So in that case, 100 watts, as I said, is going to be the perfect choice. And if you happen to have a power adapter that has more than 100 watts, so it has like 120 or 125, it is still going to work just like the 100 watts power adapter, but there will be no or very minimal difference in the charging speed if we compare 100 watts and 125 watts power adapters. So at that point there is no point to, of course, upgrade these power adapters. If you have the option, you probably don't really want to do so. It's just going to be a waste of money in this specific case, simply because, as I mentioned, 100 watts is the most that the phone can use to charge the battery. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.